So here we have our Wall Charger 2 product. Now this is a fantastic user for every domestic because we've got it in 7 kilowatts, available in socketed and tethered. Tethered leads come with 7.5 meters, and we also have a 22 kilowatt version for your commercial properties as well. When it comes to the features and benefits of these chargers, there is nothing better and easier to install. This entire front plate comes off, giving you access to the internals, making sure you can wire them up with all the space possible. From there, you connect it into the quick release connector plug. With a quick release connector plug, you plug the front back in, screw it all back up and clip the front cover on. Front covers, we have 9 options. You've got variations of greys, blues, reds, whites, sandstones, we've got the lot. Other features and benefits of these chargers is such things as solar charging. Solar charging allows you to make use of your exported power from your solar panels, meaning you can actually charge for free. And remember, charge green, drive clean.